Hi, I'm Linda Nowicki from the Tampa Realty Now team. If you're in the market for a professionally decorated 4-bedroom pool home on a scenic pond in Land O'Lakes, Florida, have I got the property for you.
Suncoast Meadows. This quiet community is located in southern Pasco County, just northeast of the intersection of the Veterans Expressway and Highway 54, providing excellent access to the Tampa Airport and to the Gulf beaches. The pillared entry welcomes you into the front of the home, which is a large room that includes both a formal living space as well as a dining space. The kitchen features full-height wood cabinets, stainless appliances, and granite countertops. This space opens into the informal family room. The master bedroom is a warm and welcoming owner's retreat, including a master bath that has a stand-up shower, as well as a garden tub for soaking. The guest room is spacious and features volume ceilings. This home is all about Florida living and includes a fully enclosed pool area. You enter the pool area through these large sliding doors from the family room, and this beautiful pool, pond, and conservation view vista is what will greet you. Nothing can match the feeling of walking out of your back door and right into your cool, refreshing pool. If you have a larger group or you'd like to just get out and meet your neighbors, the community has a shared pool area that has a spacious deck with lots of deck chairs. And if you'd like to get out for some frisbee, baseball, or soccer, there is a large shared field for outdoor sports.
Thank you for viewing this beautiful home with me today in Land O'Lakes, Florida. If you have any questions or would like a personal tour, please contact me. Thank you.
For more information, please call Linda Nowicki with the Tampa Realty Now team at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.